Once you build your visualizations, how do you actually share it with your stakeholders? Well, let me show you. So when you buy Tableau Desktop, it's actually made up of a lot of components. You have Tableau Desktop and Tableau Cloud are just two of them. Cloud is like a marketplace. So if you think about it like this, say you have a fish market or like a vegetable market near you. Basically, what they're doing is all the sellers are going into the one place so that all the consumers go to that one place to buy everything that they need. And it's just a more efficient structure. So in a corporate environment, you have the sellers or the farmers, which are the designers, right? We design the dashboards. Then you have the consumers, right? The people purchasing the stuff who are like your stakeholders and your CEOs and middle management and other operational entities. So we go to Tableau Cloud, and that is basically our marketplace. So let me show you how it works. First, I need to build a visualization. Time lapse, let's go. So here we are with a very basic visualization that I kind of just made up, right? And I'm now ready to share it with my stakeholders. So Tableau Cloud is where we publish our solution to. So first you have to have the cloud actually set up, and then we have to deploy the solution. So if I go server and I'm going to sign in to my particular Tableau Cloud, so my own private network. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that. So I'm now signed into my network. Now I want to deploy the solution. So I'm going to go server, publish the workbook. A dialog box is going to open. I'm going to publish it into a location on that network, and I'm going to call it corporate performance. And then I simply deploy my solution. And here we are on Tableau Cloud. Now I'm going to take a step back from where I am at the moment. So I'm going to go to Explore here on the left. So basically what's happened is, in a corporate environment, all the people who need access to this information, all the designers, all the consumers, they're going to log in same way that you log into Facebook or your Gmail, right? There's a username and password. It brings you here. And in here are all the dashboards that all the designers will deploy to the cloud. And the beauty of it, and you can see they're all here, and there's the dashboard I just made. So if I'm a consumer, right, CEO or whatever, or anyone in the corporation that has access, everyone is going to see the same dashboard. And this has a number of benefits. Firstly, in the old days, before we had these kinds of solutions, we would email out a particular Excel file, and we'll call it version 5. And then we need to make changes or update it, and so we send out 5.1 and then 5.2. And it doesn't take long for people to have different versions. Then they'll start modifying the raw source. It's not protected. Things start to fail. The person in charge of it leaves the company. So it's very unstable over the long term. Whereas in here, if you're a consumer, you can't break it, because it's locked down. You haven't got any editing rights. The most you can do is play with the filters. You can interact with the dashboards. Anything that the designer lets you do. You can make comments. You can tag other people. You can say, hey, John, check out this analysis. It's something interesting for you. Go ahead and check it out, right? But you can't do anything besides look at it. And that's a good thing. If you're a designer, you can actually piggyback off the data set. You can download it and see how it's constructed, right? So in terms of lineage, protecting the back end, giving a secure front end, huge benefits for the organization. And it's really easy to actually deploy solutions. And say I deployed this last week, and a stakeholder goes, hey, I found a mistake, or hey, can you adjust this, or can you add a new visualization? It's as simple as going back to Tableau Desktop, make that change, redeploy it, and anyone that depends on this visualization, the next time they log in, they're all looking at the same results. So you're not going to have all these problems of so-and-so is saying, bookcases is 120,000, someone else is saying it's 90,000. Well, what's the answer? Where are we? What's the actual situation? That happens a lot in the corporate environment. So now that you have one source of truth, it makes it easier to make those decisions, and it's in a secure platform, right? So that is the beauty of Tableau Cloud. I'm basically just scratching the surface. On my website, and I'll show this to you guys, is I do a whole course on Tableau Cloud because people have requested it over the years. So here are all courses on the top. There is a Tableau Cloud course right here in the middle, 3-1. And if you come in here, it covers absolutely everything when it comes to Tableau Cloud. I'm going to go down to the bottom. So it's sharing dashboard, source of truth, everything we talked about. You see the curriculum and everything it covers down here, from setting up the site to begin with, all the admin things you have to do, adding your users, managing the platform, performance, to you being a creator and a designer. So what do all the designers have to do? How do they get set up? How do they deploy solutions? How do they manage it? What's all the security that they have to think about? There's automation that's in there. Then you as a consumer go, well, how do I actually interact? How do I download things? How do I view data? How do I understand what's going on, right? So it's a huge guide specifically for Tableau Cloud, but I do cover basically the entire Tableau platform, so be sure to check that out. So if you guys have any questions regarding this, you're not sure about Tableau Cloud or Tableau Desktop, please drop me a comment. I'd love to make you guys videos to help you out. Like I said, I teach all of this on my website at Jellyman Education. Hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, have a great day and